Barbecue chicken flavor instant noodles from Indomie is a wonderfully delicious instant noodle meal that is sure to satisfy your craving. These noodles are bursting with flavor thanks to the sachets containing seasoning powder, seasoning oil, sweet soy sauce, chili sauce, and fried shallots. These noodles are simple and easy to enjoy. These barbecue chicken flavored noodles are from Indomie, a brand of instant noodles produced by Indo Food. Founded in 1968, Indo Food has grown to distribute their high-quality food products all over the world. Their brand, Indomie instant noodles, are sold in countries ranging from Australia and New Zealand to Canada, Europe, and the United States. Indomie noodles come in a wide variety of flavors. This barbecue chicken flavor is one of the tastiest and most popular. The taste of these instant noodles is more delicious than other popular chicken flavored noodles. They have a superior flavor because they come with 5 different sachets to adjust the taste of the noodles. Listed on the front of the package, these different sachets can all be combined for a robust umami flavor. Or you may decide to select only a few of the sachets to add into these noodles. If you desire a spicy kick to your noodles, be sure to add the chili sauce. If you prefer your noodles spice-free, then you might choose to leave out the chili sauce. Try different combinations of the sachet packets to adjust the flavor profile to best satisfy your taste buds. Preparation of these instant noodles is simple. Begin by letting the noodles simmer for 3 minutes in boiling water. While the noodles are being cooked, mix your choice of seasoning sachets together on a plate. After the noodles have simmered for 3 minutes, drain the water from the noodles and then add the noodles to the seasoning on your plate and mix well. Then enjoy. Each pack of noodles like this contains 1 serving. Each serving contains 400 calories, 18 grams of fat, no cholesterol, 970 milligrams of sodium, 52 grams of carbohydrate, 2 grams of dietary fiber, 6 grams of total sugars, and 8 grams of protein. These noodles last for up to a year, so be sure to stock up on these packs and store them in a cool, dry place. These noodles taste great on their own, but if you choose to add some more ingredients, consider adding an egg, some shredded chicken, or chopped veggies. Be sure to try them out and also look for other unique flavors from Indomie instant noodles. Now, I will open this package and show you the noodles along with the included sachet flavoring packets. I will prepare these instant noodles according to the instructions for you to see. Here's the finished product. I added all the sachets for the most intense flavor. I highly recommend these barbecue chicken flavored instant noodles and hope you'll try them out.
Enjoy. Bye bye.